tiny brands, big profits. Build a one-person product business with AI and automation. This is perfect for platforms like YouTube, InVideo, Pictory, or Synthesia. But you can use this title for many other places too. So inside this box, we have a tiny brand. Wait, what's that? It's the future of making money online. And right now, only one person, yes, just you, can run an entire physical product business from your laptop. You don't even need to leave your house to start this business model because you never actually see the product. Just give it a prompt, like write a product description for a premium dog wheelchair and let it work its magic. ChatGPT will spit out a description that's informative and persuasive. But that's not all. It can also help you come up with catchy titles for your ads. So try prompting it with something like, "Give me 5 catchy titles for ads for a premium dog wheelchair." And you'll get a variety of options to choose from. They offer features such as product research, sales data, and competition analysis. This is where you sell products without holding any inventory. Let's say you want to sell premium dog wheelchair. Simply provide Ad Creative with some details about your product and target audience, and it will generate multiple versions of your ad copy. Headlines, images, and videos. It allows you to track inventory levels, orders, returns, and other important metrics. Next up is private label Amazon FBA, which is a popular business model where you buy generic products, add your own branding, and sell them on Amazon. For example, you can buy a generic garlic press, put your own unique design on it, and market it as a must-have kitchen gadget. Instead, you'll list custom-designed items like t-shirts, mugs, or posters, and only print them once there's a customer order. So here's an example. Let's say you design a funny t-shirt and sell it on platforms like Redbubble or TeePublic. This can free up your time to focus on other aspects of your business. Every time you make a sale, the platform will print and ship the t-shirt directly to your customer. Choose one of the business models that we covered: dropshipping, private label, FBA, or print-on-demand. Each model has its own pros and cons, so consider things like startup costs, profit margins, and the level of control you want over the production process when making your decision. Use AI-powered tools to automate repetitive tasks like customer support, marketing, and fulfillment. This will allow you to focus on growing your business rather than getting bogged down in day-to-day operations. Now that you've learned about different business models, let's break down a simple 3-step formula to help you start your own tiny brand. This is a product that targets a specific group of customers with particular needs or interests. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or Google Trends to help you brainstorm ideas and validate your product demand. Remember to consider factors like competition and profitability when evaluating potential products. You don't need a huge budget or a big team to succeed. All you need is a good product and the right tools. And guess what? The tools you need are right here. By now, you've learned about 3 business models that you can use to start selling physical products online: dropshipping, private label, FBA, and print-on-demand. You've also seen how AI-powered tools can help automate many aspects of the process, allowing you to focus on finding winning products and growing your business. So go ahead and download our Tiny Brand Starter Kit. It includes everything you need to get started, from product research templates to marketing checklists. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. We publish weekly videos packed with tips and tricks to help you succeed in the world of e-commerce. So comment below which idea you're most excited about and let us know if you have any questions. We're here to support you on your journey to starting a successful product business. Thanks for watching and happy selling. So now let's look at some of the tools that can help you with this business model. Now here's an example of a successful private label product on Amazon. They integrate with various e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Etsy, so your orders can be fulfilled quickly and easily. This funky garlic press has over 10,000 ratings with an overall rating of 4.3 stars. It's safe to say that this product has become a household name in the kitchen gadgets niche. Let's break down some of the key features that made this product a success. First, the product itself is practical and solves a common problem. It makes mincing garlic easy and efficient, which is a task that many people find time-consuming and challenging. Second, the product is well-designed and visually appealing. The colorful silicone base and ergonomic shape make it a joy to use, and it's likely to stand out on a kitchen countertop. Third, the product has a strong brand identity. The seller has created a memorable and trustworthy brand that customers associate with quality and reliability. This is evident in the positive reviews and high overall rating of the product. Fourth, the product has been effectively marketed and promoted on Amazon. The seller has likely invested in strategies such as pay-per-click advertising and sponsored product listings to increase visibility and drive sales. Overall, the success of this product can be attributed to a combination of factors, including its practicality, design, branding, and marketing. By following a similar approach, you can increase your chances of creating a successful private label product on Amazon. This saves you tons of time and energy, so you can focus on other aspects of your business. So now, let's say you've got your generated ads ready to go. Where can you post them? Well, Meta Ads Manager is where you can run your Facebook and Instagram ads all from one platform. It allows you to target your ads based on demographics, interests, and behaviors, ensuring that you reach the right people with your message. So when your ads are running, how can you tell if they're performing well? That's where analytics tools like Meta's built-in analytics come in handy. They'll provide you with data on impressions, clicks, and conversions, so you can measure the success of your campaign. You find a reliable dropshipping supplier who already has these wheelchairs in stock. So whenever someone buys your dog wheelchair through your website, you place an order with your supplier, and they ship the wheelchair directly to your customer. In short, you're simply connecting buyers and sellers. So here's an example. Let's say you're selling a premium dog wheelchair for $100. You could set your profit margin at 20%, which means you'll make $20 in profit on each sale. So now, let's look at some of the AI tools that can help you automate your dropshipping business. Because the way to make money online has changed forever. No longer do you need to pour all your savings into building inventory. You don't need to hire a bunch of staff to manage your business. Thanks to technology, you can start selling physical products online without ever stepping foot into a warehouse. AI is taking over repetitive tasks, making production processes smoother than ever. So you can basically build your whole business on autopilot. Yes, that means you can run your entire business from your laptop. This new era of e-commerce is about scale with efficiency, save time, save money, and still have a personal touch with your customers. So if you've been wanting to start selling physical products online, but thought you needed a crazy budget or a team to help you out, think again. Today you can learn how to start a highly profitable product business in less than 10 minutes. Think you need a team, warehouse, or massive budget to launch a product brand? Not anymore. AI tools and automation are changing the game. Let me show you how to take your slice of the e-commerce pie, make tons of sales, and stay ahead of the curve in this digital age. Ready to dive into the world of tiny brands? Why does the world need another e-commerce course? Here's why. Business model number 1. Dropshipping with AI-powered marketing. Let's talk about business model No. 1. Dropshipping. ChatGPT. We've probably all heard of this one by now. It's a powerful tool that can help you write compelling product descriptions. Ad Creative. Another great tool for generating creative content like your ads. Business model number 2. Private label Amazon FBA. Some tools that can help you with this business model include Jungle Scout or Helium 10. These are tools that help you find winning products to sell on Amazon. Canva, a great tool for creating visually appealing packaging that can set you apart from the competition. Amazon FBA Dashboard. This is a helpful tool for managing your Amazon FBA business. ChatGPT or Jasper for listings. These tools can help you write compelling product descriptions and titles for your listings on Amazon. Business model number 3. Print on demand with automated customer support. Last but certainly not least is print on demand. This business model doesn't require any inventory upfront. Printful or Gelato. These are print-on-demand services that handle the printing and shipping of your products for you. Shopify or Etsy. These are popular e-commerce platforms that allow you to create an online store to sell your products. Canva, a versatile design tool that can help you create eye-catching designs for your print-on-demand products. Tidio or Crisp AI chatbots. These tools can help you provide quick and efficient customer support by automating responses to common inquiries. 3-step formula to start your own tiny brand. Step 1. Pick your model. Step 2. Find a niche product. Once you've decided on a business model, it's time to find a niche product to sell. Step 3. Automate. This is where AI really shines. Don't wait any longer to start your dream business. Take the first step towards success today. Call to action. Starting a product business has never been easier.